In an CMM inspection programming 2512, we have enabled new solutions, new methodologies to evaluate cylinders and circles. The first one is a cylinder, so I just create a new cylinder and I enable one of the new methods, the Gaussian, and I can create another cylinder with the Chebyshev method. And then these cylinders will be created in the post-processor according to this evaluation methods, and also when the inspection data is imported back into NX, it will be evaluated based on the selected method, and this is also valid for circles. I can create a circle and select the Gauss. Create another circle and enable the Chebyshev method. Thank you for the attention.